As most of you know, I have a website called the DollarStoreMagicTricks.com where I'm selling some unbelievable disarray of magic. I have over 100 different tricks for less than $10. Now, some of these things are classics, been around for many, many years. Others are relatively new. But the secret I found in using these tricks, especially in my classes when I'm teaching magic, as you will know probably, I probably this last year taught almost 100 classes, and I provide the props for the kids. And you know what? It's here's the secret, gang. They're not really interested in just knowing the secret. They do. I mean, they want to know how it's done. They're always trying to figure out how it's done when I perform it for them at first. And they're guessing and doing a pretty good job, and other times they're just way off, as you know. But the thing that sparks within them that I see happening is their mind goes into a shift of innovation, of looking at the magic trick and saying, "Oh, that's how it's done," and then thinking, "Wow, what else could I do with this? How could I use this trick for something else?" Once they know the secret, they can do something different with it, and I'm witnessing this in my classes, and so and I'm doing the same thing. I'm taking a standard trick, and I'm saying to myself, what can I do with this trick that would be something different? And here's an example. My example is, you all know the folding papers, they're called the Buddha papers, or whatever I call the folding money mystery papers. And you put a dollar bill in there and it vanishes or comes back, or coin, whatever. But the point is, I've learned how to adapt that same trick and use it as a form of creating the Mismade bill. So I put a dollar bill inside there, and then when they open it up, I'd say it's going to turn into 100, but it's Mismade. And the joke is, I folded the papers the wrong way, therefore I folded the dollar bill the wrong way, and that's what I end up with. Now, when I sell that trick, I provide a fake dollar bill and a fake Mismade bill. But the point is that it takes the folding money papers, Buddha papers, to the next, another innovation, a different way of thinking of how to use it. And you can watch it in this video. Yes, I have some money here, and I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to place it into these pieces of paper. So I place it down into the middle of this pink paper, and I fold the pieces in again and again. Then I fold it like this, like this, like this, just like that. I snap my fingers, and look what happens. I open it up, and now that money, that dollar bill, has increased, and it is now I must have folded it the wrong way. Oh no, I didn't do that right. So now you see what I'm talking about. You see how it's really easy to take a standard trick and take it to the next level, or take it beyond what it's commonly used for. And so I'm doing that with all my tricks at the DollarStoreMagicTricks.com, and I'm using those concepts and ideas in my classes for the kids, and they love it, and it works. So my challenge for you is to watch the videos I have on the Dollar Store Magic Tricks. You'll see a lot of the demonstrations I'm doing with some of these innovative ideas, and then also you'll see there's a possibility that you might be able to come up with something that's unique. And yeah, they're inexpensive tricks, but that doesn't mean just because they're inexpensive that they're not good tricks. They're classic magic tricks, and they really can fool people, especially when you adapt and use your innovation and become creative with your presentation. So I just want to share that with you. This is the first of a series of tricks, a series of videos I'm making on what I'm going to call Backstage at the DollarStoreMagicTricks.com. So be watching.